Your sleep quality and duration could influence your health, energy, and how long you live. We constantly hear about diet, exercise, and social life as the pillars of health. But the single factor that impacts your longevity the most is sleep. It matters more than you think. When you consistently get poor sleep, the effects ripple across your entire body. Your brain, heart, blood sugar regulation, and immunity are all taking a hit. Think of poor sleep as a catalyst for faster aging at a cellular level. Lack of sleep shortens your life more than neglecting diet or exercise. Despite these facts, we consistently prioritize everything else over a full night's sleep. Whether it's late night work, mindless scrolling, or binging a series, we're actively choosing to delay our necessary sleep. We treat sleep like it's an optional luxury, when in reality, it is a fundamental biological requirement. The good news is that you don't need a drastic overhaul, just small, consistent changes. Try to maintain a consistent bedtime, keep your room cool and dark, and avoid caffeine and screens late in the day. These small habits are the key to unlocking better health and adding big, quality years to your life. Prioritize your sleep and wake up energized, ready to take on the day and live longer. Thank you for watching. For appointment, call 650-68-77368 Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 p.m. Pacific. Visit telemedora.com. Follow us on social media @telemedora for sleep insights.